Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. I got the Redcat Volcano out here with me today. Just got my new body in for it. So other than me yakking away, let's get to it. That's right guys, got the sheriff in town. You know, had to add the main RC Kings. Now I want to order the police light bar for the top of it, which I think will be sick because I'll have a few videos of my sheriff chasing Matt's truck around, which will be cool. I do have some new shocks coming for it too. I'm just waiting for them to come in the mail. No guys, I'm not hammering down too much because I'm kind of waiting till Matt gets his motor and everything for his volcano, so we can kind of hammer down and see what's up with both of them. I mean, right now mine's got a 4S in it and he's getting a 3S for his. But I think when we compare them together, I'm gonna run a 3S in mine just so it kind of is fair. Why does it seem like it's only... Yeah, it seems like only my back's spinning. Yeah, I think it's only two-wheel drive right now, guys. I gotta see why that is, but... You know what? I'll just still run it for right now. Oh yeah, I can tell it's only two-wheel drive because it's hard to control now. It was almost like playing with a two-wheel drive Slash out here. I don't know why my son had all day to ride his bike out here and hit the jump, but he chooses to do it when I'm hitting it with the RC. Oh, roll over. That thing's gonna be nuts now on the road with two-wheel drive. Oh, another thing too is when I ordered this body, guys, I looked up a body for the Volcano and for some reason it didn't fit. The holes were spread too far apart. So I think they got the title of the body wrong. I think it's supposed to be for a Traxxas Stampede, but I made it work. Oh, that launched. I don't think I got it either. That was a high launch. Oh, my battery's coming out. Gotta fix that. There's another thing that stinks is my battery's too fat, so I had to use a Velcro strip, and she doesn't like staying in there. So I'm gonna fix this, guys, and be right back. Alright guys, I know why it's only two-wheel drive, and if a lot of you guys know RCs, you'll understand that when one tire on a four-wheel drive is messed up, it messes up pretty much the whole side. But I think the hex on this side spun out, so that tire is not moving at all, and because of that, the other tire in the front isn't spinning, so that makes it just the rear tire is spinning. But she's all right, she's still running fine. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a high jump on slow-mo, guys. Alright guys, just did a backflip, you know, because my son's like, oh, just do a backflip, just do a backflip. So I had to try it. And it did it. And like, it could have probably done a double. But I didn't want to chance it. Alright, let's try it again. Nope, I didn't hit the jump good enough. From where I'm standing, it's kind of hard to really... Like, I want to be behind it so I know I'm hitting the jump right, but I won't be able to get a good clip. Oh! Alright, that's it for the backflips right now. I don't know if I caught any of them on video. I hope I did. But let's go on the road and see how she does with two-wheel drive. If I can get up there. A little rock crawling here. Alright, I'm gonna pick it up. Be right back, guys. I noticed one thing, my servo isn't great. I can't turn anymore. So I'm gonna have to get a different servo for it. See, look at that wide turn. Ah. Oh crap, it's gonna go down. I can't turn it. Oh, there we go. Oh, sweet. Oh! As soon as I did a full throttle, guys, it wanted to kick sideways. This thing's fast. That's not even full throttle, guys. Oh! Alright, last more run, guys. And I think I'm gonna call it quits for this video right now. Oh, I'm glad I didn't hit that full throttle because that's all cement right there. That would have shattered my... Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoy what you saw. There's going to be a lot more upgrades I do to the Volcano. Like I said, I'm waiting on my blue shocks for it. I'm going to order the cop light for the top of the roof. Another announcement, on the 10th of July, we will be having another meet at the skate park in Biddeford. So definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That bell notification so you can be notified when that video gets uploaded. But yeah guys, like always, I am out of here.